Hello friends, welcome to Win Graviton. Today we are going to talk about microorganisms, and this for class 8, and this is the part 5 video. This is also the last video on the chapter microorganisms. So what we are going to talk about in this video? So we are going to talk about the preservation of food. So how this food preservation is related to our topic, that is microorganisms. So we know that they are involved in the production of many food products. They also cause diseases, but they also do one thing, and that is microorganisms spoil food. They spoil food. So what does that mean? That means microorganisms make our food unfit to be eaten. So if we eat such spoiled food, then we will fall ill. So for preventing that from happening, we have to preserve our food, or we have to protect our food from these harmful microorganisms which spoil our food. So that is the reason why we have to preserve food. So these food products may get spoiled mainly because of these microbes, So why do these microbes specifically spoil food? Why is that? So let's now talk about that. So we know that many of the microorganisms are decomposers. They break down or decompose organic matter. So this is a main point to be considered, and that is many microorganisms are decomposers. They are decomposers. So when these decomposers come into contact with food, they actually decompose the food itself. And when they decompose this food, what happens? They release toxic substances which makes the food unfit to be eaten. And that is the reason why these microorganisms spoil the food. So now we know how these microorganisms spoil our food, and also we know why we have to preserve food, but we do not still know how to preserve food and what are the methods of preservation. So now let's discuss about that. So here we go, the next topic, and that is methods of preservation. So there are a lot of methods that we can preserve food in many ways. So but these are some few main ways in which food is preserved. Okay, so let's discuss about them one by one. So the first method is canning. So in this type of preservation, what is done is that the food is actually packed in a very airtight container, which helps us to preserve the food. Okay, so this is one type of preservation. The second one is salting. So in this type of preservation, the salt is added to the food product. And this inhibits the growth of microorganisms, hence actually preserving the food. So actually this is used in preserving foods like fruits, vegetables, meat, all these things. So the next one is sugar, adding sugar. So jams, jellies, all these things are actually preserved using sugar, by adding sugar. So when we add sugar, this sugar actually absorbs moisture, hence preventing the growth of microbes, and also at the same time it helps us to preserve the food. So this is one type of preservation, one method of preservation. And the next type of preservation is already known, and that is refrigeration. So we have refrigerators in our home, and we use refrigerators because to avoid spoiling of food, isn't it? So refrigeration is just cooling, isn't it? So this cooling can inhibit the growth of microorganisms, and thus it can help us to preserve food for a certain amount of time. So the next one is pasteurization. So in this method of preservation, what is done is that the food product, the substance or the food product is actually heated to very high temperature. It is heated to very very high temperatures, and then suddenly it is cooled down, and this can actually help us to preserve the food. It kills many microorganisms in this process. Okay, what is the process? In this process of pasteurization, the food is actually boiled at a very high temperature, and then it will be suddenly cooled down to a very low temperature. Okay, it will be suddenly cooled down to a very low temperature, and this process is actually used to preserve milk. So pasteurization is a method of preservation. Okay, so these are the methods of preservation. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel Vim Graviton. Stay tuned for more videos.